What's up guys and welcome back to another video. This is gonna be the second part. I hope you will like the video. I'll give you an update about the kitten when it is back. But for now, enjoy the video. Roses wants to play with the rabbit. Man, I really wanted to play with the rabbits, man. But I also need to look at this kitten, man. I need to see what this kitten is gonna do. Unless she doesn't eat all my food and all that stuff, I am fine. But if she eat my food, if she take all the love and care, then uh okay. So I got a plan. I'm gonna put a fish in a stick here. This is the stick, and I'm gonna put it into a fish, and I'm gonna try to feed the kitten. I don't know if it will work or not, but let's see. The rabbits are having their meal, so the kitten might also be hungry. Okay, the kitten is saying that I'm hungry, so I'm gonna slowly put this, bring this. Okay, don't be afraid. It's just a fish, okay? And yeah, slowly I'll bring up to you. Roses smelled the fish, but Roses, you just wait a minute, okay? Just wait a minute. First I need to give this to the kitten now. She it might be very hungry. Roses, don't eat the stick. Come on, it's okay. You can just eat it. Roses, don't go near her. Don't go near it. And don't eat the fish, okay, Roses? You have already eaten your fish. I can smell something tasty, but I can't. I don't know where it is. Oh, I think it's here. Oh, what is this? Mmm, yummy. But don't eat the stick, okay? Your stomach will be filled with the sticks, and you might hurt yourself, okay? That was tasty. Is there some more? I want some more. Here is all rabbit poop, man. All I can smell is rabbit poop. Roses. Roses, don't scare the kitten.
Installation tao one nhắc stream mission để mà mình
Okay. Even two doy.
hay xin hay tí đây
Yên tú rồi.
Yes.
Thấy chưa?
This is the lifetime DIY to feed any kitten, to feed any cat, fish. So you put the fish inside the stick like this. Okay. Just watch and learn.
Brown gang đây.
Brown có lần bỏ. Thôi cái này nào.
Lifetime DIY to feed a catfish, huh?
Aku coba deh.
Or don't go to the toilet. You can go anywhere but toilet because it's stinky there, man. One day my cousin came to my house and he used this toilet. You know what happened? He came out smelling like rotten chalk mixed with rotten egg. Just the smell is so sad that I did 100 push-ups. Like I couldn't even do 10 push-ups, but the smell made me do 100 push-ups. Just imagine, man. Even worse, cats have X times the sense of smelling than human beings. I feel like I could do X times push-ups just imagining it. Oh my god, what is this smell? It's so intense, man. Like I can smell all to my fur body. Like, oh my god. Here, smell some fish. I hope this will reduce the toilet smell a bit.
It is not working. The toilet smell is too powerful.
This is the second time my DIY trick work.
I want some too. But not the toilet, okay?
You dare hit me with the stick. Now I will open the door.
Nó để run không? Nó để cài để run không? Nó đây nó chẳng bỏ. Rồi.
Tikam.
I don't want that.
삼락티대. 어머니.
Okay, now we're just playing round and round, like we're coming back again to the garden, going back to the toilet, roaming round and round near the garden. Now we're just playing. So basically, we're friends, right? Come on, we're basically friends, right? We're just playing right now, man. Don't yet go inside the house, okay? Don't go there.